What's up, YouTube? At the moment, we're starting again the look at a daily on the dollar. We had some news out yesterday and the day before, which drove this index very low. And we are back at entry. Basically, we were in a drawdown a bit, but as I decided to use the 50 period and all of these moving averages as a guide to where to put my stop, we are still long on this trade. If we just go to the settings, current trades, still in on this. As I was saying, it's about to pull back. I decided to bring in the 50 period moving average in blue as a guide for some support, and it literally came down to a couple of ticks. It almost hit my stop at that point, but we're still long on this trade. We can't do back at the entry. When we look at the past trading, we can see that it literally pulled back at the high. As such, yesterday we had a bullish hammer, which indicates like maybe a turn in momentum again to the upside. As such, I have placed an order at the high so that if price was to come back to this level, we are due for a major breakout. If it doesn't, and we see a continuation to the downside, our stop is in place for this current trade, and we will stop at the counter loss. One would ask, why didn't I close up here in profit? The answer to that is my strategy only allows me to move a stop to a lower into profit when I can see a clear a bounce of the market. I will go more into detail with this in a upcoming video of how I operate the strategy. If we look at the Japanese yen, we are basically at the entry level, and we had a little bit of a breakout, but now we're pulling back yesterday but today, but now we're back at the similar levels. We're still waiting for the breakout of the 152. But as we can see, also the 50 moving average is offering some support, and hoping to see this come up to the stop loss if we pull this back down. And if we buy up, we tend to want to get aggressive with the buying as we're going up. If we see a break above this level, we look at the oil trade. This is what I'm talking about. The stop hasn't been moved yet. We're looking for a clear point where the market is going to give us a lower low, and we're gonna go back up to break this prior highs of 8 9 8 9 and go to the 90 level. As such, we are busy just waiting, sitting on hands with this trade. Next on the list, we have the natural gas. If we look at the natural gas on the spot market, it's basically still a valid trade where your higher low is going up. Its momentum is moving up nicely. I'll bring on the 50 period moving average as well for this one. We have broken above it and sorry, we have broken above it and now we are basically at using it as support. We're hoping to see the market use this as a bounce and to move higher and break this ascending triangle. If I can just draw that in for you guys. From this point to there. If we can just move here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And so we're hoping to see this maybe come a bit down or turn around using the 50 period moving average as support, and we see maybe a breakout of this area. Take this impulse from here to here. This would suggest actually a break lower, to be honest. That like if anything, this would suggest a break lower than a break to the upside. But I like the momentum on this one to the upside. And if we bring in historical data on the monthly chart, a break lower would be nice, but then I wouldn't want to be buying it any point below this. I would rather want to wait for this channel to break up and then most likely see it rise. But then as we are not trying to pay swap for this one, if we go back to this, to the daily, you can, if the weekly is more clearer to see the channel. If we go back to the daily, but I'm hoping to see this market find support at this 50 moving average and then move up to above the $2 level. But then we are not trading this on the futures market and not on the spot market. Basically gonna draw down a bit. If we draw in the same what we are seeing over there, let's just close this as well. Then can make use of this actually. This upper trend line and this one over here. from here. Basically, we're looking for this market to break above this level and go higher. And then if we open the current position, if you see this, it's kind of underwater right now, but then stop is it comfortable out of the range of the market. Hopefully we can see this trade like 300 points. Hopefully we see this market break higher and collect a good profit going to the upside, as I think this market is due for a turnaround. But this is not usually my strategy, but then I like this for some reason. But then anyways, that's it for today, guys. May the trend be with you and happy trading. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep forgetting my